Hello, this video is for you who maybe fell in love with the Oaxacan coast and you're about to buy a property or already did. Looks easy, like signing a contract and pay, but it's not. Foreigners are not legally allowed to buy a property close to the Mexican shore unless they have a corporation or trust. Creating one can be tortuous, but don't worry, I will make it easy for you. Getting an efficient notary and help you with the legal ease while creating the corporation, going to Mexico or Oaxaca cities to get the new company's tax number, registering the capital at the Foreign Investment Registry, taking you by the hand if you prefer to create a trust through the bank, doing the follow-up of all these time-consuming procedures that may take a very long time. My name is Jose Martinez and I'm a bilingual consultant on property law living in Puerto Escondido. Let all the legal weight of buying a property on my shoulders and receive all the advice you need along the purchasing process.